हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे अपना ओरेकल वाला पार्ट. इन दिस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो वी विल लर्न हाउ टू यूज ओरेकल and run some basic queries into that, and how we can create our workspaces. So after installation of Oracle, you will see this kind of icon is available in your screen. It's Oracle 11G Express Edition for database. You just need to double click on that, and the interface will open up. So you will find this kind of interface when you will start running the Oracle. There are number of options are available here. Fine, but for this particular class, we will be focusing on application express part, and you need to click on this part. So when you click here, you will see that you need to enter a username and a password. This user ID and password will be provided by your lab instructor when you will start doing some practical in your laboratory, or if you have purchased a license. So during installation, you have to provide the ID and password. It will be same as the ID and password will be the same what you have entered during the installation process. In this case, my user ID is system, and password I have kept it to be tiger. So I'll press login. So you will see this screen when you will log in into the system. So initially you can create multiple users, because when you are developing an application, so multiple user will be working on that. So you can create your workspace. So first of all, let's create a workspace. So we need to create a workspace. So I clicked on that. So similarly, I need to enter database username. Fine. So what I can do, I can write is systemdb. I named it systemdb express application express username. I will call it, you can say, gcrdb. Okay. The password, you need to enter a password. Again, I'm using tiger as a password here. So you can choose your own password that you want to use, and then click on create workspace. Okay. Now you will see we have created an ID and password, and you can say workspace. So you will see successfully created a workspace system DB to begin click here. So you can log into that using by click that. जैसे आप क्लिक करोगे, you will see this screen. Here you need to just type that password that you have created for your workspace and log in. Fine. जैसे आप लॉगिन पे प्रेस करोगे, यू विल सी these four options here: application builder, SQL workshop, team development, and administration. In this particular, as per as our syllabus is concerned, course is concerned, we will be talking about SQL only. All these other things will be taught into your advanced courses. So for using SQL, you need to click on that. Right. So you will see this kind of interface when you will click on the SQL interface. Right. So let's see how to run a simple command. So I will run a simple command, like I want to know how many tables are there in the database. For that, I have a command called select star from tab. Right. I have typed this line, then I will select it, and then I will press run. The moment I will run it, you will see the output. This is my output. Here you can also download this output. Now these are the number of tables which are already available into my database. Fine. These are the tables. Okay. Now what I want to do, I want to create a table. Fine. This is a very basic command. You need to create tables. You need to create views. You need to get some data from the tables. So one of the basic command to create tables, we usually use create table command for that, as we have to create multiple tables when we learn about SQL and when we create databases. So the syntax is, I will write a simple command. regarding other syntax and different features of create table command, we will learn them in different classes. Here I will be creating a simple table using create table command so that you can run your basic queries. So command is create table. Suppose you have to choose your name, and the suppose is bvoc create table bvoc, then followed by parenthesis. Then you will have to provide all the things like variables and their data types to create a table. Then like it will be like name, then I will say character type का name है fine 20. Then I can say father name, I'll say char 20. Now this 20 is a length of the string, means जो the name length, whatever name you will enter into the database, it cannot exceed 20 characters. Similarly, father name cannot exceed 20 characters. So let's try to run this particular command. So you will see here table created, and the time taken to create the table is 0.029 seconds. Yeah. So now what I will do, I will let's see the structure of the table. For that I can use a command called describe table. TESC describe table name. The name of the table was bvoc. That's bvoc. Then I will run it. Now you will see that this is the structure of my table. Description of my table: one is name, this char, length is 20, father name char 20. Clear? Now let's see what what exists into my database. Database के अंदर है क्या? For that I will have to use select command. Select start from the walk. Fine. So now I want to know कि table में मैंने store क्या किया है. Then I will run. It says no data found. Okay, it says okay, there is nothing into bvoc table. So I need to insert some data into the bvoc table. For that what I will do, I will insert some data into the table. For that I have a insert into table command. Let's try to run this command. Column not allowed here, so there is some syntax मैंने कुछ mistake करी है, so I need to replace the double quotes with single quotes. So all of you will have to take care of that also. Now you will see actually this command is a success and the message is one row inserted. एक row मेरे पास insert हो गई है. Now again what I will do, I will run this command select star from vbook. Now I want to see कि क्या data मैंने इसके अंदर डाला है. So let's run it. So you will see Ram and Dashrath. ठीक है. So this is the data that we have entered into the database. So we will be studying all our SQL commands in detail in the coming classes. So this was the basic information regarding how to use the DBMS and how to run some basic commands. With this, I would like to thank you people for listening to this class. Thank you.